What's up, YouTube? What's going on? And welcome. If you hear that music, it's on the background for GTA 5. And the reason why it's open right now is because I'm making a GTA 5 video. And right now, I needed to prepare. So that's the first video I made. And in the video, I said I'm going to do a double upload. And that is true. I'll try to get a double upload in. So, let's load a game. High stakes, low rider. So we're gonna do a rider mission. So we're about to do a rider mission. Let's go. So what I was doing is just free roaming, trying to see, but there's a certain end of the map, so that's kind of sucks. Come on. Oh, there we go. This is a race I did to get to sorry, the map always. That check mark isn't really something special. So we're about to do a rider mission. Rider. No, that's BS, Big Smoke. I can't do that mission. I'm not gonna be doing things with Smoke. I don't know why I just don't like to. But in this game, hold up, guys. I'm gonna go to the settings. This is a little too loud. Real controls, game, display, audio. Alright, guys. So what's you're back in the old Canadian zone. 90. I'm pretty sure that's yellow or blue. The yellow game or the blue game. It's pretty cool with the blue game. Yellow game, not so much. So we're about to do a by the way, I'm making a to the trailer. Like, he wanted me to follow her on Instagram. I forgot your name. I'm sorry, but thank you. And I did follow you on Instagram. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, because that will mean a lot to me. Like, a lot. So please subscribe and this would like on most of my videos. If you like them, subscribe. If you're not, then subscribe. And if you already did, thank you. I already followed you on Instagram. Mood Ups, I'm pretty sure it's Mood Ups, right? I think so. All I know is said follow because I saw the comment and I said reply. It went on the email thing, so I think I may have already did it. I did actually. I know I followed somebody, Mood Ups, and I'm pretty sure that's you. And I followed, and there's different links, so I went on both links and I followed you on both of them, trying to see what's happening. Because I didn't get it at first, but then I got it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. And subscribe if you haven't already. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Now, let's get back to this. That's just a little shout out. But, anyways, we're driving through the hood. Right now, we're in my territory, so that's good. So I don't get shot in sight. One time, we were in the ballless territory, the purple game. If I didn't mention it already, I forgot. I just forgot. I forget sometimes. So we were just in the ballless. When you're in the ballless territory, they will shoot you on sight when they see you. Dang, and that's a baller right there. Straight baller right there. Baller, it's a baller. Drive away, because I ain't trying to start anything. But these ballers get on my nerves sometimes. So, I think we're gonna drive straight and do this. Big Smoke, that's the mission. Man, reckless fun. I'm better at GTA. And I made a video in GTA 5. In GTA 5, I'm a way better driver, though I still have a minimum skill. And I said it in the video. Man, I'm not trying to. It's my garage. I'm just gonna drop the car in my garage. It's a little messed up, but the parkour in GTA San Andreas, I think you can do a little more parkour because of the hood, and the buildings in the hood aren't really like city buildings. GTA. So GTA is way more open world. We're about to get more gun ammo. I remember, and this will be a gun location, so better remember it, because this is a gun location as well. For the other, this is just one of them. Those police ain't on me, I know that for sure. If they are, they racist. You know, it's weird, all the police in this game are white, and you get captured, but I'm pretty sure, no, black police, but if it was white policeman, and that pulled you over, kicked you out, literally kicked you out. Anyway, I just got more ammo, so I'm just about to jump down here. I don't care. Dang, hold on. Now, hey, now that's my game right there. That's one of our games. That's why I'm wearing green. Awesome. So let's actually get along with this mission. I just came back from church. Yo, I had to wear long sleeves in the summer.
What you doing? Digging graves? Damn, what the fuck I put it?
He's always smoking.
Put what, nigga? Man, the fucking water. Need a little something before I go deal with things. What things, fool? My homie LB, he told me about this army motherfucker who got all the guns we need. Not that old school image bullshit neither. I'm down. Let's roll. Jill, you always down, homie. Apart from when you ain't around here. Nigga, fuck you. Damn! Man, you want some of this? Nah, man. I'm cool on that. Where we going? This tilt overlooking East Beach. Better yet, you better wait until it's dark. Catch the motherfucker while he in bed. Yeah, I'm feeling that. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Come on, nigga. What you waiting for?
What is he doing?
Get in, fool.
I don't know what he's doing. Dang, that truck got big. Hold up. Let me just get rid of that waypoint. No old school Emmett, because all he provides is a pistol.
What is this old motherfucker? When the hell is it?
Relax, man. We ain't there yet.
Yeah, right, Carl. You always right. That's my homie, Mr. Right.
Shut up.
You can't stop me.
Who can't?
Whatever.
He said, who cares? Who ready to fight anybody? Yeah, I feel like something's about to happen. It's so slow, like. There's some daylight. They even gave us some slow car now. Ooh, flower. Light you up. Ballers. Yeah, we're driving in Ballers territory. Yep, we're in Ballers territory. Yeah, guys. So, I'm not gonna spoil the details. Watch. If you drive, dang, he's right there now.
How you feeling about this?
Nobody gets too far like that, unless you're walking backwards, in which case you travel at half speed.
Come on, man, I'm clocking here.
I got you.
Hey, that ain't right, Holmes. He's down! Don't want to make me mad, bro.
Let's storm the place.
Yeah, this
Hold
is
up. Let's creep in, grab the guns, and bounce out. Yeah, I got it. Ninja style.
yeah,
Right.
I got it.
Come out, you old bastard. Shut up. He can't stop me, you buster, Carl. Okay, fool. In you go. I'll keep watch.
Dang. The heck? I took this. I ain't doing it. Remain silent at all times. Double tap for lower quarter. Dang.
Get off my ridge, you Viet Cong bastards!
No. Right there.
Keep it coming, CJ.
Yo, I need guns.
Stephen, call me, bastards!
Let's get up out of here.
Ryder, where the hell you at, man?
Alright, guys, we gotta be silent. I'm tripping about the map right now. We gotta be silent. Man,
Get in, fool.
we gotta restart from all the way over here. Try to check near the house.
What is this old motherfucker? When the hell is it? Relax, man. We ain't there yet. Yeah, right, Carl.
Yeah.
Always right. That's my homie, Mr. Right. Shut up. You can't stop me. Who can't? Whatever.
Okay. What the happened? Bruh. Nope, wrong way. I got to turn around. You may not be able to pull this, but we gotta keep trying, guys. Maybe it'll take so long that we have to do in the next video. The double upload. So I will try to make this quick.
in, grab your guns, and bounce out.
Gee, I got it ninja style.
Alright.
Come out, you old bastard! Shut up! He can't stop me, you buster, Carl. Okay, fool, in you go. I'll keep watch.
Except now another thing. Except by way only Puma I top songs. Kilo ko Puma yawa láàrin ní àárín. There's a way they did it that year. When the man come up. That Puma. But also a man níbi tó wà. Ó máa wá máa bọ́ tó máa níbi tó àtẹ pé is for a show off. You don't understand where we are coming from. Money.
Keep it coming, CJ.
Níbo ni Puma yẹn wà? Níbo ni Puma yẹn wà? Ṣé ó rọra wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi kan? Wọ́n ṣe máa ṣe normally. Ó wà ní middle for fashion. Ṣé ibi etí tí socks mo sọ sí? Ibi etí ló wà.
Alright, guys. Yo, I'm trying to be quiet because I'm focusing. So, if they can hear us through this, man, I have to be extremely silent. Okay. Oh my gosh. I can do
I
it.
tell y'all, he making a killing.
Alright, there's another one. I don't know where it is.
Nice, I'm not saying we've done that. But low, you need a man biology.
Who's there? Did it. Alright, guys. We did it.
You a natural housebreaker, homie.
The situation like this kind of also
Kinda great.
Let's get up out of here.
Get back on that old waypoint. Alright, guys. We did it. How long is this video? It only been 19 minutes. Dang. That was a long mission.
LB got a storage garage down in Seville Boulevard, family turf we could use.
I'm on it. Seriously, Barty, man, you gotta give up the mistakes.
What? Man, I give up the water if you give up being a buster.
Hold it right there, homie.
Buster?
You gonna get it.
Forget you, fool.
One day, you gonna wish you hadn't pissed me off.
Dang.
Did I hear something? Sound like the buster complaining again.
Man, this is childish.
And I ain't talking to you no more, fool.
Ryder and him always, yeah, he talked about my driving and everything when he first started the game. I'll do some solo missions to get points and What's this? Yeah,
Let's go, Mike Record.
That is me hard.
You see, I told you. Simple.
Yep.
Say, CJ, you gotta get it in your head that this is everyday shit, homie.
Alright. Many houses can be broken into and goods stolen from the owners. You need to get this type of van to start a burglary. Load up the truck and then take it back to the lockup.
Okay, look, I'm tired. I'll see you later.
Alright, Holmes. Just think about what I said.
Mission passed. Respect quest. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. So, this was a really good mission. Raider, on the other hand, he's been doing some stuff, but we just have to deal with it for now unless something happens in the story. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. Make sure you see my GTA 5 video. Make sure you see my other GTA San Andreas and all my other videos. Like on them and subscribe to me. It would be a lot. Bye. You guys, all my subscribers, are the best.